right, it's time for another adventure here in the beautiful land we call the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And thanks for joining me. I'm Steve, and this is TourDaYooP.
Chuck them down.
Oh, he's just gonna go away.
This one feels pretty cold over here.
Oh, there you go.
But then now this one's a little bit more like the traditional
Yes,
kind
that's
of agate
what I was
that you'll
trying
see.
to find for
So
you.
you'll see if you roll this one around, it's got tight banding all over the place on
Yeah.
it. It's like this, but if you look for rocks that are pockmarked like this, that's a telltale sign that you know that it's got the potential to be an agate as well. Good.
All right, we are done with the hike. It was a lot of fun. Everybody went swimming today. I think that was nobody went swimming. It was a little cold.
Anybody complaining?
Yeah, everybody had fun.
No complaints.
No complaints here. Just a great adventure here in the Upper Peninsula.
No casualties.
No casualties. Nobody got hurt.
Abandoned ship, though.
Yeah, it was a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have an awesome day. This is TourDaYooP. Stay tuned for more adventures from the Upper Peninsula.